Nick Rudder from McKees37.com and IDSCarCare.com, coming to you from SEMA 2022. I'm at the Lake Country booth with my good friend Tim.
Good to see you, Nick.
It's a pleasure, Tim. Appreciate you having me as a guest in your beautiful booth.
Absolutely.
You got that awesome Porsche 914. And you guys are the polishing experts. You know, there's all these great chemicals out there, like what we make, but we need a pad to apply it.
Thanks for all the compliments, Nick.
Yeah, sure. So we're at your booth. I understand you have some new products. What do you have?
Yep, we have a reintroduction to our line, our microfiber one-step pads, or OSP pads for short. We're reintroducing them this year with a new material. We've got a great performance out of them. A little bit different from our traditional microfiber cut. Okay. You'll notice a little longer pile length on them when you look at them. The different color interface certainly makes them jump out as being different. Okay. What we're doing is bringing down the aggression level a little bit from the cutting pad, but we're bringing up the ability for this pad to finish down. Okay. So truly a one-step pad for a lot of applications.
So in case you guys aren't familiar with Lake Country, because you don't eat, sleep, and breathe this stuff like we do, Lake Country Manufacturing, they're the world's #1 pad manufacturer. You guys are located in Wisconsin.
Oconomowoc, Wisconsin.
Their products are made in the USA, and besides buffing pads, they also have other innovative solutions, including their pad washer. They're coming out with an awesome new detailing light. They have pad cleaning powder, lots of cool stuff. You know?
Yeah. If you don't mind, Nick, I'll show the detailing light.
Oh, please do.
So, detailing inspection lights aren't new to the market, but we've got some really cool loaded features on it. We have the hook for hanging. You have the stand that's magnetic, strong magnetic base.
That's great.
Yeah. USB charger.
Cool.
And then we have multi-light output for brightness.
And this is designed so you can see the defects in your paint. Swirl marks, scratches. If you work in the paint industry, if you're a painter, you can use that for blending the colors and everything like that.
Sure. And then what's nice, Nick, is our retail price is not bad, so it also can be used as just a work light for around the garage, working on your engine bay, working in the interior.
Yeah.
You're not going to be so afraid of beating this one up.
Oh, no, not at all. And the cool thing is, too, like, you know, if you are hands-on with cars, if you're mechanically inclined, you know, if you're underneath your hood, you can attach this to your hood because it's magnetic, and that way you can see what you're working on. Or if you're like me, where I'm changing out suspensions, you know, lowering cars and whatnot, you can attach it to one of your spindles, you know, because those are steel, and it'll stay there and light everything up. So, awesome tool.
Awesome,
you know?
Thanks, Nick.
And going back to these microfiber pads, you know, some of you might think, you know, well, microfiber, why does that have to do with polishing? Well, because when you hear microfiber, you think about a towel that you use to wipe off a polish or a compound. Well, these fibers, and correct me if I'm wrong, but these fibers, when they're manufactured the right way, these actually act as an abrasive, right?
Correct.
Okay.
In the microfiber pad versus just a traditional foam pad, because we have so many individual little fibers, we have so much more surface area that's doing that polishing or cutting action.
Interesting.
So that's why they're so great at cutting.
Yeah, so these fibers, with the way that they design them, they actually, they'll engage the abrasives in your compound or in your polish, and you get a great cut, but you also get a great finish too.
That's right, That's right. The only temperamental thing with a microfiber pad is they need to be blown out frequently.
Yeah,
because microfiber, just like a towel, likes to hold. So we got to release our spent compounds, polishes, the clear coat. You want to blow that out and always have a clean pad.
And plus, they get matted down anyway.
They get matted down
with your compound, your polish. They get matted down, so you want to clean them out. But
exactly.
Man, you guys have an awesome line. And besides the microfiber pads, they have their CCS pads. They have flat pads, and they actually have pads designed specifically for certain types of tools. So, you know, 12 years ago when I started in this, you just had really the Porter cable. You know, free spinning machine, you know, what 8mm orbit, 5mm orbit. Now there's long stroke machines, there's force rotation machines, and all these machines, you know, they require a special pad for maximum longevity and performance.
So us as the pad manufacturer, and that's what we do. Everybody keeps coming out with new tools, new technologies.
That's good for you guys.
We have to keep up with that, right? We have to have the pad that works with all those systems.
Yeah.
So
well, I appreciate your time, Tim.
Thanks, Nick.
It's always a pleasure. And if you like videos like this, click subscribe, turn on your notifications, leave a comment, and visit McKees37.com or our sister site, IDSCarCare.com. Take care, and God bless.